Hello everyone. So today let us do something very quickly, and I also thought of showing it to all of you. Now today I actually want to create, not really create, but try the dark mode that we have in Jira, and it is something new, and I never really tried it. And to be honest, I was also not really sure how to enable it. There is, however, one feature request on Atlassian's own Jira, where people have asked for a dark mode. And if you go to that particular ticket or feature request, I think you can hopefully see. I'll try to find the. Anyways, let us not worry about the actual feature request. Let us take a look at how it looks like. Now, if you if you go to, I mean, by the way, enabling dark mode is you have to of course enable it for you, not really for your entire Jira instance. And when you do it for you in your Jira instance, it will be, I believe, only for you. If you understand what I'm saying. So basically, if you go to your profile, and by the way, this is something that I'm doing for one of my Jira instance. And if you go to personal settings, so you can actually click on personal settings, and then you can do a lot of things here. You can change things if you want. But for example, I think if you remember, I made one video on how you can change the Jira homepage. Maybe you want your project directory to be your home, or maybe you want your dashboards. Up to you, whatever you prefer. But the main thing that you need to do is you will basically find this option called Jira Labs, and you can actually select. First of all, you need to enable it. So if you enable it, you can then see the. You will then have the option to select a theme. For example, if I enable it and if I select a light theme, nothing will change. But the theme that we are looking for is something called as dark, and now we have a dark theme in Jira. So to be honest, I just tried it, but I thought, okay, let us take a look at it together. So I'm also doing it for the very first time. It looks okay. So for example, if I look at my dashboard, or basically my activity stream, I'm able to see things. I'm able to figure out what I'm doing because I'm familiar with Jira. But for those people who are used to dark mode, I also use dark mode, to be honest, because it is definitely convenient and simpler. So this is of course your home. Let us quickly take a look at the dashboard because I want to see how the dashboard widgets will behave. And I'll take a look at this Android project dashboard, which is nothing but some charts. And at the same time, of course, when it comes to dark mode, we have to figure out and test how this will work when you're looking at maybe data from different apps. So if I look at the native dashboards, I can see here that there is a problem already. So this bar chart, or not a bar chart, but this bar, whatever it is, there is a color, and it is starting from, of course, the same color as the background. I'm not really sure if we can do something about it. I tried to click on the edit, and the whole dashboard is now gone. Anyways, so let us try. So if I look at this option here, maybe no, it is basically there is no way to change it or fix it. Anyways, it's not a big problem, but something to be aware of. And also, we might want to take a look at other gadgets. Let me just open one more dashboard where I do have EasyBI based reports. So this is of course looking because it was when I worked on this dashboard or this gadget, it was nothing but this whitish background or light background, but this will look like what it used to look like. Anyways, so let us take a look at the projects. And if I open maybe one of my project, let us take a look at company managed project. And this is my active view, active sprint board. If I look at the roadmap, hopefully I should be able to view the roadmap here, especially the bar that I have. So yeah, not bad. It's okay. All right. I'm happy with it. I don't really mind these colors. If I go to the backlog and if I try to change the color of my epic, let us see if I can quickly. So let us change the color and let us see how it looks like, because I just want to understand if I'm able to figure out what I'm doing and I'm able to look at my issues. So yeah, the colors look different. Not bad. It looks good. And if I open one of the issue, the actual issue in Jira, let us take a look at the whole Jira issue view page. So this is looking good. I can see my issue information and I can see, okay, so there is some, I can see the in progress. Of course, this is not the full workflow, but if I click on, I mean, the status is, or the transition or the target status is slightly, I think it's like a trimmed version, or there is like a cropped version. Anyways, it's fine. Now, this is something that I thought I'll probably share. If I look at the workflow, so workflow in Jira, we all know that these statuses, they have colors, like there is a category of these statuses and the colors are different now. So this is not a big concern, but I'm used to the old familiar colors. And what else? Let us take a look at the issue navigator and take a look at the list of issues here. So this is my issue navigator. Let us try the basic. Yeah, I mean, as long as you're able to do what you are supposed to do, I'm fine with it. And let us take a look at the detail view. I mean, good thing is that I'm not really seeing any hidden button, because sometimes when you change the theme or whenever you change or flip the colors, you basically sometimes you have issues with the hidden, or basically the text or some buttons or icons, they are hidden in the background. That is not really the case. It is looking all right to me, to be honest, so far. And yeah, all good. Nothing to complain. I can definitely see myself using it because everything looks good to me. I mean, it is the main concern, or not a concern, but the main thing here is that I am now looking at it because for many years, or since the beginning of Jira, we were used to a light theme. Now we are looking at a dark theme, and we probably need some time to adjust. And I don't really see any problems using it so far. So overall, I have a good feedback, except the buttons, not the buttons, but the colors. But I guess the colors are probably different because of when you're viewing those bright colors in white background, then the same colors need to be adjusted, or their saturation needs to be different, or tone. I don't know. I don't really. This is not really my specialty. But I don't really have any massive problem with the change of the colors of those workflow statuses. But main thing is that this looks usable. In fact, more than usable. So good job, Atlassian. This looks really nice. First impression is good, and I'm sure many people would appreciate this official dark theme in Jira. All right, so that is it. That is it for today, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you learned something new. Thank you very much. Bye bye.